Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Laravel eCommerce Canada Post Shipping plugin. Now this particular plugin will allow the store owners to provide Canada Post Shipping method to the store customers for shipping the products. The customers will be able to choose the shipping method at the time of checkout for receiving their products via the Canada Post Shipping itself. Now this shipping method can be used to receive shipments within Canada and from Canada to other countries as well. So all in all, this particular plugin allows the admin to enable or disable the Canada Post Shipping method from the admin backend panel. The admin can set the Canada Post Shipping method name that will be shown to the customers at the checkout page. The admin can also define the allowed shipping methods that would be visible to the customers at the checkout time for selection. This plugin basically what it does is that it uses the dynamic shipping method for freight calculation, and there's an ability to download the invoice, and the shipment generation can be done by the admin from the backend panel itself. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow at the customers end, and I'll be showing you how the customers will be able to make use of the Canada Post Shipping method for receiving their orders there. Apart from that, I'll also be showing you the initial configuration settings in the admin backend panel after the successful installation of the particular plugin, that's the Laravel eCommerce Canada Post Shipping plugin. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm logged into the storefront as a customer here as Peter Doe, as you can see. So what I'll do is I'll be adding one product, that's the landscape or the horizon, to the cart there. So I'll just tap here on the add to cart. The product has been added into the cart, as you can see. Now let's make a checkout thereafter. So the address can be of the Canada itself, or it can be of other countries as well. So here you can see that I have the address of United States, California, with the zip code 90001. So I'll select this particular address, and after selecting the address, the particular shipping method would be reflected here for the Canada Post Shipping itself. So here you can see that under the select shipping methods, we have the different shipping services like Priority Worldwide, Pack USA, Small Packet USA, Air Track Packet USA, Express Post USA, etc. there. And here we have the method name that we have set up from the admin backend panel that is visible to the customers, that's the Canada Post Shipping. Now the customer can select any of the shipping methods for receiving their parcels. So I'll go with the first one, that's the Priority Worldwide Pack USA, and I've selected it for $78.95. And on the right hand side here you can see the delivery charges have been added to the subtotal there, that's for $78.95 there. Now I'll be selecting my payment method, and after that I'll scroll down. So here you can see that we have selected the shipping method as Canada Post Shipping method for $78.95, and the grand total is $178.95. Thereafter we'll be placing the order by tapping on the place order button, and the order would get placed thereafter. After the order gets placed, the customers can view the order details by going to the order history. So you can see that the order has been placed. Now if I want to go to the profile section here, and I'll go to my orders, I can check my particular order that I had placed. So here's the order number 2 that I had placed. I can view the order by tapping on the view under the actions column there. Here's the product that we had purchased. Here's the shipping and handling charges for $78.95, and the total due is $178.95 there. And here you can see the shipping method that the customer had selected was Priority Worldwide Pack USA, and the method name was, this is the service type of the Canada Post Shipping there, and this is the method name, that's the Canada Post Shipping that has been set by the admin from the backend panel there. So this was the customer's workflow for the Laravel eCommerce Canada Post Shipping plugin. Now let's hop onto the admin backend panel and let's see the initial configuration settings in the admin backend panel after the successful installation of the plugin itself. So for that, I'll take you to the backend of the Bagisto there, and here we'll be entering the email address and the password for the admin and tapping on the sign in button thereafter. After the successful installation of this particular plugin, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to set the origin of the store. So for that, you need to go to the configuration icon here on the bottom left hand corner, tap on that, and then you have to go to sales. Now under sales, the very first option that we have here is for the origin, as you can see. So here you have to set the origin as Canada, and the state has to be selected, the city, the street address and the zip code of Canada should be set here for the origin of the store itself. And then you need to tap here on the save button after you have set the origin as Canada there and chosen the respective state, city and the street along with the zip code there for your store's origin there. Then you have to come to the shipping method section, and under the shipping method section, here you'll find the Canada Post shipping itself. So from here you can enable or disable the status of this shipping method at the checkout time there by enabling or disabling this particular option here. You can also calculate the tax. If you want to calculate the tax, then you can enable this particular option. Then you can choose the mode as development or the live mode. You can choose the development or the testing mode or the live or the production mode as well. Depending upon the selection made here, you have to enter your API user ID, API password according to that itself. Then we have the title here. Here you have to enter the title that would be visible to the customers at the checkout time. Now this is the same title that was visible to the customers. That's the Canada Post shipping here as well as on the checkout page when the customers were selecting the Canada Post shipping method for receiving their orders there. So the title that you set here would be visible to the customers at the checkout page. Then for your Canada Post shipping account, you have to get your API user ID and the API password. After you get those credentials from the Canada Post shipping service itself, that need to be entered here. That's the API user ID, API password. Then you need to choose the agreement type as non-contract or contractual. If you have a contract with what we say as the Canada Post shipping, then you need to choose it as contract. Otherwise, if it's a non-contractual service, then you have to choose non-contract. If you have any agreement number, if you have a contract, then you'll have an agreement number, then you need to enter that agreement number as well. You'll also get one client number. That client number needs to be entered here. Then you need to choose the rate type, whether it's the on counter rate or on the commercial end itself. So the rate type can be chosen between the counter and the commercial there. Then you have to choose the weight units as between kilograms or pounds. So whatever you set here, well, that would be the weight units for the Canada Post shipping there. And lastly, we have the allowed methods, as you can see. Now here's the priority worldwide pack USA, the one that we just chose for the customer, priority worldwide pack USA. So whichever allowed methods that you have allowed here would be available for the customers to choose at the checkout time there. You can select a single one, or you can choose all of them and display all of them at the checkout depending upon the address of the customer there itself. And lastly, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. Now this was the initial configuration settings for the Laravel eCommerce Canada Post shipping. Now one more thing is there. For example, for the orders, if I go to the sales section, I can view the particular orders that have been placed. So this was the order number 2. Let's view the order as the admin. So here if I scroll down, I can see the shipping information section, and here we can see the shipping price was $78.95. The shipping method name was Priority Worldwide Pack USA, and Canada Post shipping is the title name that was set by the admin from the backend panel itself. From here the admin can generate the invoice or can create the invoice as well and save the invoice. Let's save the invoice. After saving the invoices would be visible under the invoice, and from here we can view the particular invoice for the order, as you can see right now. And let's go back, and if you want to generate the shipment for the order, we can generate the shipment for the orders as well. Let's go to the orders section once again. Let's go to the actions column. The order is in the processing state. Right now there are no shipments. We have generated the invoice. If we want to ship, we'll tap here on the ship button, and the admin needs to enter the carrier title here. Canada Post shipping method, and he needs to enter the tracking number. He needs to choose the source for the products ordered, and here he has to select the quantity to ship. The quantity ordered was 1, and thereafter he needs to tap here on the save shipment button, and the shipment would be generated for the order. So you can see that the shipment has been created successfully. Now if I go to the shipments, here we'll be having the shipment with the carrier title, the tracking number, total quantity. From here we can view the shipment as well. So here if I scroll down, here we have the shipping information. The shipping method name is Priority Worldwide Pack USA, and the title is Canada Post Shipping. The shipping price is $78.95. The inventory source is default. The carrier title is Canada Post Shipping Method. The tracking number is there, and so on and so forth. So yes, that was much about the Laravel eCommerce Canada Post Shipping, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, you can reach out to us at support@bagisto.com, or you can raise a ticket at bagisto.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.